Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Appsmith guide for 2026, I'll show you how to create internal tools in Appsmith. Whether you're building dashboards, admin panels, inventory systems, customer management tools, or other business applications, Appsmith makes it easy to create powerful internal tools with minimal coding. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Appsmith account and create a new application. You can start with a blank app or choose a template if one matches your use case. Once you're satisfied with the setup, deploy the application and share it with your team. Users can then access the internal tool based on the permissions you've assigned. And that's how to create internal tools in Appsmith. By combining drag-and-drop components, data integrations, automation, and access controls, you can build powerful business applications without starting from scratch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.